Yes, you will kill me if I scream.
No, I'm not going to kill you if you scream. I said, are you going to scream bloody murder? We're going to take out the other tooth so that she looks like a jack-o'-lantern. All right, let me see. We're going to get your tongue out of the way. We're going to do this one right there. And she's going to do it this time.
No! No, you do it, you do it, you do it.
All right, we'll do this. So that. You think it's going to go?
Uh-huh.
Oh, boy. Don't stop moving your head. It's there it goes. Oops, out. Scream. Okay, just close your mouth.
Oh.
Okay. There's the old tooth.
Where?
Right there. Let's see. Too close. Remember, it's there. Is that funny?